Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Telegram alerts from Netdata monitoring easy tutorial step by step clearly. Once logged in, navigate to the alerts menu on the left sidebar. In the alerts section, find the option for notification channels. Click on add a notification channel to create a new channel. Select Telegram from the list of available notification channel options. You will need your Telegram bot token to proceed. To obtain a bot token, open the Telegram app and search for the BotFather account. Start a chat with BotFather and type the command /newbot. Follow the prompts to set your bot's name and username. Once created, BotFather will provide you with a token. Copy the bot token and return to the Netdata dashboard. In the Telegram notification channel setup, paste the bot token into the designated field. Next, you need your Telegram chat ID. To find your chat ID, search for and start a chat with your new bot. Send any message to your bot to initiate the chat. Now, navigate to the URL https://api.telegram.org/bot your bot token/get updates. Replace your bot token with your actual bot token. Look for the chat section in the return JSON data. Copy the chat ID from there. Return to your Netdata configuration. Paste the chat ID into the Telegram notification channel setup. You can customize the alert message format if needed. Once all fields are filled, save your notification channel settings. Finally, test your Telegram notifications by triggering an alert in Netdata. Check your Telegram app to ensure you receive the alert. This completes the setup for subscribing to Telegram alerts from Netdata monitoring. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.